Hello my dear student, I welcome you all to the maths class. So in this class we will be solving question number 2 of exercise 10.4. Alright, so the question is construct triangle PQR if PQ is equal to 5 centimeter, measure of angle PQR is equal to 105 degree and measure of angle QRP is equal to 40 degree. Hint is also given. Recall angle sum property of a triangle. So how to do this? Why the hint is given here that we have to use angle sum property here. So what is first of all angle sum property? In a triangle, say for ABC, there are three angles inside it. So when you add this, say 1, 2 and 3 angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, then the sum of this three angle in a triangle will be 180 degree, which is considered as angle sum property of a triangle. So here basically in this question is very important from an exam point of view also. So listen it very properly and do it. Okay, here angle PQR is given. So angle PQ means angle Q is given. Suppose I am making here Suppose this is the triangle PQR given here, right? So angle Q here is 105 degree. So angle Q here is 105 degree and angle QRP here, the angle QR is 40 degree. So I'm writing here angle angle R is equal to 40 degree. Now we don't know what is the value of P. Now using angle sum property we can find angle P value. Right, so let us write like this: angle P plus angle R plus angle Q is equal to 180 degree, which is angle sum property. Angle P we have to find it. Now this 40 is not a big thing. Okay, just you have to note down the angle P, then your triangle will be made. Now angle R is given, which is 40 degree. Whoever is at the center, that is actually his or her angle. Okay, so angle Q here is 105 degree, 180 degree. So now you can find angle P, which is 145 degree is equal to 180 degree. Angle P is equal to 180 minus 145 degree, which is actually 35 degree, right? So we got angle P. Now we can make here 35 degree, we can make 105 degree. Join this 2 point, you'll get R. No need of this 40 degree. But to solve this, we will take the help of 40 degree here. To get the value of P, it was very important. Otherwise, if you only have one angle, then it was impossible to make a triangle here. Okay. So first of all, what we are going to do? We are going to make the side PQ, which is 5 centimeter given. Right, so let us draw a side which is 5 centimeter. So I'm drawing a side here which is 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter side whose name is P and Q, right? And the second step what we have to do is we have to make angle P, which is 35 degree, which we found using angle sum property. That's why the hint was given in your question. It is angle sum property. So this angle P we are going to make with the help of a protractor. Just see here. Okay, so this line is at the 0. Now where is 35? So 30 is here. Now here is 35. Yes, this is 35. Now join this 2 point, this point P and this unknown, I have not given any name here, this dot. Okay, yes, you can join now. Alright, so this line should be deducted. Next we have to make angle Q we have to make, which is 105 degree. So let's do that also. So angle Q is 105 degree. So where is your 105 now? So we will count from 0 here. Yes? No, sorry. It will be 100, 110. So 110, 105 lies in between 110 and 100. So it is 105 here. Just check it out. Right? So now join the two point Q and this dot like this. Okay. Now wherever they are meeting, so this angle P is equal to 35 degree it was. Angle Q is equal to how much? Angle Q was 105 degree, and angle R here, the name of this point where they are meeting will be considered as R. So this is our required triangle, and of course the remaining one angle is 40 degree. Of course, when you add this, you'll get 180 degree. So angle sum property, using this concept, by doing this we got the angle P value, and by doing this 5 centimeter it was. So by making using such idea, we are now able to solve such problems also, right? So two angles are given, one side is given in this question, and using the angle sum property, taking the hint from there, I have made a triangle. So we will write that therefore triangle PQR is a required triangle. All right, so I hope you have understood it. Yes, so this is angle P here, angle Q here, and angle R. So my dear student, I want you all to practice this very properly using the concept of angle sum property. According to exam point of view, it is very important, it's very special, right? So see you in the next class. Till then, stay safe and healthy. Thank you everyone.